a dream of a bright future, a successful career, and a happy life. But for some, the path becomes unclear when they fall into the dangerous trap of the drugs.
Age among students has become a significant issue in today's society. Young people face pressure from academic peers and personal struggles lead to turns as a drug as a form of escape.
Drugs don't just harm your body, it destroys your dreams, relationships, and opportunities. You have the power to say no and protect your future.
We at Papay National High School believe in creating a strong, drug-free community where every student feels empowered to make the right choices.
Our goal is to raise awareness about the dangers of drugs and encourage everyone to choose a better path, one of education, discipline, and hope.
Guiding a student to make safe and healthy choices while protecting their future is the best choice.
I learned I'm not alone. There are people who want care and help. Saying no to drugs, saying yes to my future.
By saying no to drugs, we are saying yes to education, discipline, and a better life.
One another in making our right choices. We will help us build strong connection for everyone that is safe, drug-free, and full of opportunities for success.
By working together, we can build a school community that stands strong against drugs.